what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Since it is spring now, we are planning on bringing the porch plants back out onto the porch. They've been in that mobile home bedroom all winter and the temperatures are warming up so that I can bring them back outside. But first of all, since the entire deck is empty, I did move all the plants to the extra foundation. We're going to be power washing and sealing the deck before moving any of the plants onto there. We do have a couple more days at 41, 43, 45 lows, so I'm not going to be bringing the plants out until then, even though I've already planted the produce gardens. But these are tropical plants. They are dragon fruit, kiwi, pomegranate, mango, lemon, aloe vera. They're just tropical plants that need a hotter, heat. We're going to be cleaning the porch and sealing it before we put all these plants back out there. So let's get to it. This is our porch. If you guys can see all of that stuff all over there, that is all green mold from all of the plants just draining out of the bottom and then pooling and sitting there. So it kind of just stains the deck. It kind of just looks not so good. It has rings all around it. So what we're going to be doing is pulling out the power washer, which I've already started to pull it out. So we're going to be hooking that up to the hose that's over there. And then I have an outlet that is right here that we can use. I'm also going to be cleaning up some of this mess right here, just bringing out like a leaf blower before I start power washing. I've pulled the power washer out and I've also leaf blown the entire deck. We got all this stuff out of here. I'm gonna try my hardest not to get this outlet wet, but we'll start on this end over here. This actually might take a long time because I had to switch the nozzle. The other nozzle just was not getting off all of this dirt, but this one is. This is the straight pointed one. The other one was like a fan, which just the pressure was not enough to get all the dirt off. to be able to get all of this green stuff off, just because a lot of it is hard to see while I'm trying to do this. I see you, Cliff. Cliff is the carpenter bee. Protect me. I see you, sweet Cliff. I see you. I know, you protect me from the wasps. Thank you. Well, you're protecting your queen. Love you, Cliff. Love you, Cliff. Get him, Cliff! Now that I'm thinking about it, I might even stain the deck. Yeah, like, not just seal the deck, but maybe I'll, like, stain it, put a paint to it or something. Maybe that will hide some of the spots and stains that I couldn't get out with the power washer. That's for another video. I think it looks pretty good. I got most of the green stuff off. Now it needs about 24 to 48 hours to dry before I stain it or seal it, and it's going to be raining in about 3 days, so maybe I'll get to stain it before it rains. We will see about the weather, but definitely want to make sure that it is dry before you stain it or seal it, so that you're not locking in moisture. That took a long time. Actually did the side of my house too. We shall see about staining this deck. I really love the rustic look of the deck as it is, so maybe I'll just seal it, but I will do some research on the different types of stains that are out there for decks. Maybe there is a weathering looking stain that can keep the same look. So I will keep you guys filled in with that. So that was power washing the deck, and it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take, simply because the pressure of the water coming out of that little itty bitty hole, it just doesn't clean much at the same time. I did end up switching to the fan one and just putting the pressure, but that hole closer to all of that green stuff. So I did the best I could, and it was kind of hard to see as it was getting wet if I got all of that stuff up. So I am thinking about just staining it so that it's all one color, and you would not be able to see the rings or the green stuff underneath that I didn't get up, but at least it's all cleaned and washed so that when I do stain it, at least it's not dirty under there. And then after staining it, I will seal it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. All right, so that was cleaning. Don't put this.